This is carb number 2. First one leaked a little bit. So we got all the wiring and everything hooked up on Troy's truck. And now we're gonna fire it for the first time. Well, we're gonna run it for the first time. It sort of popped off a couple of times, but it was leaking fuel pretty bad, so we didn't want to keep running it because we didn't want to fire.
Oh no.
So, anyway, here we go. All right, contact. So close. Got the timing set. We let it run for 30 minutes to kind of, you know, cook the cam. Make sure that's all good to go. Now we're just letting it run. Well, we got it to run. Broke in the cam. Set the timing. I think she's good to go. Now, just to bolt together the rest of it.
And now, the rest of the story.
Thanks for tuning in. Hopefully more to come soon.